Welcome to Home Tech Decisions episode 2. Did you see that excitement, ladies and gentlemen? Brandon is super excited to be here.
So excited.
Because today we're going to talk about Lutron. And Lutron will make your life so much easier in your home. I guarantee it. He guarantees it. The dog running around this house guarantees it. You will love it. You will love it. So Brandon today is going to talk a little bit about Lutron and what he's done to his house to make his life easier. Brandon, take it away.
Yeah, so Lutron is my preferred method for home lighting. So what it does is replaces the switch in your walls, and they look like dimmers. We've got an example here on the box, and we'll do an installation a little bit later as well. But so one thing with Lutron is that it does require a hub in order to access via your phone app and do the Alexa integrations. But it's totally worth it. Definitely just go ahead and do that. So the benefit over a system like this is that now you're communicating over Lutron's proprietary network, which takes up a lot less energy than your Wi-Fi would as compared to some of the competitors. So definitely go with this system. It does pair up, and then for three-way switches on your second switch, you can just install a little Pico remote in the wall, and that's going to act as the second or third switch, and they're all just paired together, so you have dimming capabilities no matter where you are. You can also put them in this handy pedestal, and then you just have this on your nightstand or wherever you'd like to, and you can program that to control multiple different lights or the entire house. You can set up different scenes, pair them with your shades, fans, so on.
What are some things that you can't pair with this, or are the possibilities endless for pairing?
Yeah, so you're really limited to your lighting and shades, basically, and some smart plugs as well. From there, then you would want to hook it up to a different hub, and then you can tie in other automations with smart sensors to turn your lights on and off as well, if that's something you're interested in doing.
That's awesome. I am definitely interested in doing it. As you can tell, Brandon's home is a nice, beautiful, brand new home, whereas my home is aged a lot. So one of the things that I love about this is it will help the energy usage of my home, and it's a lot easier to install. I love having these kind of technologies in the house. It just makes my life a lot easier.
Yeah, for older homes, this is a great option as well, because you're going to have two wires, the load, and then you're going to have the ground wire as well. So 3 wires technically, but you don't have to use a neutral wire. So if you don't have the white wire that runs through your walls, a lot of older homes don't, this system is still going to work really well for you.
Yes, and that's why I love it. I like pressing buttons too.
Yes, or controlling your lights via voice.
Pressing buttons.
You want to press this button?
Button.
There you go.
Awesome.
Messing with my lights. Now let's go and install one.
How many are we going to install?
Well, we'll install 1 switch and 1 3-way.
Awesome. Stay tuned.